If you've been arrested for your first DUI, you probably have a lot of questions about what's going to happen next. Well, you have 10 days from the date of your arrest to request a hearing with the Department of Motor Vehicles, a hearing called an administrative per se hearing to challenge whether or not your license should be suspended. If you don't request this hearing within 10 days following your DUI arrest, the Department of Motor Vehicles will suspend your license. You also will likely face a criminal case following your DUI arrest. You'll need an attorney to help you fight both at the DMV and in the criminal case. You will need a fight at the DMV to avoid a license suspension, and you'll need to fight the criminal case to try to avoid jail time and also fines and a license suspension. You need an experienced attorney, somebody who knows what they're actually doing when it comes to DUI defense. I am Nafez Ahmed, and I'm the attorney who can help you defend your case in both the Department of Motor Vehicles and in the criminal court. Contact Ahmed and Sukaram Attorneys at Law today, and I'd be more than happy to discuss your case with you.